Pool season's here. Let's take this and drain it to this in under 15 minutes. I got a Harbor Freight non-submersible 1/8 horsepower pump. Last summer I really hated draining the pool directly into the yard, flooding it out and wasting so much water. I wanted to redirect it into plants and my grass, so I got this pump. You see it comes with that nice spout there. I generally have a little bit of a gap so it has clear suction. You want to prime the pump before you go. I usually just take a little bit of water out of the spout and raise it up so it goes into the pump. And yeah, we got some good suction. This is a 100-foot hose going to the front yard. Good flow, and I was really happy with the results. And once you set it up, it's super easy. I do monitor it to make sure there is water in the line. You don't want to run these pumps dry, it'll seize up. As the water gets lower, I direct it towards the spout. And just finishing up here about 15 minutes in. It does have a debris guard on it, so it doesn't suck up any leaves. Now the pump tubs will come with a base, but I use a cheap 2x6 piece of wood. You can really use anything or make something nicer. It does have bushings, which is nice. In the end, it's really quiet. I'm really happy, and we're back to a clean yard, ready for another pool day. Thanks guys, subscribe, like, and we'll see you on the next one.